The St. George Inn and Suites in St. George, Utah, room 133. Here we go. The key was pretty plain, so I checked it before I started filming, and it works. You go inside, you get a nice table, a heater slash air conditioner, a book of local stuff, two beds. You got a microwave with some outlets on the front of the microwave, and a fridge. The fridge was cold and empty, and the microwave worked just fine. A table with a TV. There was a direct TV box there. I didn't use the TV. A lamp with two plugs on the bottom. You couldn't fit a power brick in them, but still cool to have those plugs. A luggage holder and a closet to hang things. Adjoining room door. He had a nice big countertop space next to the sink, and you had some shelves and an iron. I didn't see an ironing board, but I really didn't look. Bathroom, the light switch is on the outside. You got the can, you got a tub shower, soaps and shampoo, towels. The beds, I slept great, and this place was quiet despite how full it was. Two plugs up here on those lamps. You got this plug slash alarm clock. It's bolted down, probably for theft, but it's nice that my power bricks won't cause it to fall on the floor. Phone, and I slept really good here. It was I think $90 all in, and it was quiet, and the parking lot was just about full when I got here. It was great value for the money. This place cleared out quite a bit since I got here last night. When I pulled in last night, it was just about hard to find a parking spot, but it was still a nice quiet sleep. They've got a nice big pool outside, and over behind the pool, there's like a playground type area. And then in another building, there's an indoor pool, but I didn't really have a chance to look at that. Got a quite busy little breakfast area. You've got eggs and you've got sausages. They're both nice and hot. You've got spreads and two toasters, two waffle stations. You also have a fridge with some yogurt in it. They've got some cereal. They've got a thing that has juices and a big machine that has coffee. If that doesn't work for you, there's a Denny's next door, and past that's a Burger King. And if you go the other way, there is a place called the Black Bear Diner. So there's plenty of food options around. And checkout's at 11. Thanks for watching.